Hello and welcome to Sleeky's OpenCart Masterclass. In this series we're going to be showing you how to configure your OpenCart installation and how to make the very most of the software. Today I'm going to show you how to create a product category, and I'm going to be using this installation of OpenCart, which comes straight out of the box. OpenCart comes pre-installed looking a bit like a technology shop. I'm going to expand on that by creating a new product category for video game consoles. As you'll see, there's a lot of test filler content here, and I'm going to add to that by showing you how to add a product category. Once you're in the dashboard and you've logged in, mouse over the catalog tab and click on categories. Once the categories list is loaded, you'll probably see a lot of pre-filled content if you've just installed OpenCart for the first time and you haven't used it before. We're going to ignore this for now and just create a new one by clicking Insert in the top right here. This allows me to insert a new product category into OpenCart. I'm going to give it a category name of video games. I can give a description to give additional information about this category, but I'm not going to here, so I'm just going to leave these boxes for now and go straight to the data. If you're creating a subcategory to an already created parent category, you can add in the parent here. I'm going to show you how to make a subcategory later in this video, so leave that for now. I'm going to give the category an SEO keyword. This is important for your search engine optimization. The best thing to do here is to recreate the category name all lowercase and split words with a hyphen instead of a space. So video games with the hyphen in the middle, all lowercase. You can give your category an image right here. I'm not going to do that. And you can click the top box right here if you want to display this category in the top menu bar. If we just quickly flick back to the shop front in our secondary tab, you can see that desktops, laptops, components, tablets, all these categories at the top, the parent categories, are listed on the top bar. And you'll see that once we mouse over them, the subcategories come up underneath. I'm going to go back to my new category now. I'm going to tick top so that the new category, video games, will plop itself down right here. I can also give a sort order. This will allow me to change the order of the categories displayed on the website. By default in OpenCart, all of the pre-installed categories have sort orders. I'm going to give video games a sort order of 8. I can also change the status to enabled or disabled. We're going to leave this enabled, otherwise it won't show. But say for example you want to temporarily hide a product category. For whatever reason, you can just set that to disabled, and if you choose to have it come back later on, just come back in here and click enabled again. So hit save, and once it's loaded, your new category will be on the website. If I go back now and refresh the shop cart, you'll see that video games has now come up on the right hand side next to MP3 players. You'll see that video games has come up on the right here. This is because each of the parent categories on the top bar has a sort order in sequence. It's on the far right because of the sort order I gave it of number 8. Desktop starts at 0 while laptops is 1, and so forth all the way to video games at 8. I'm going to go back to my categories list now and quickly add 2 subcategories to our new parent category. I want 2 new subcategories, one called handheld for handheld video gaming consoles. All I need to do is give the name, go into the data field and enter the parent of video games. Wait for that to load and it will suggest that for me. Once that's clicked and I've added an SEO word, handheld. I don't want it in the top bar, so I'm not going to tick that, and I'll leave the sort order to 0 because I'm not particularly fussed about how the subcategories under video games are sorted. I'll save that and add another one for home consoles. Again, I'm going to go into the data tab and add the parent video games. and click that once it's loaded. Again, I'm not going to have that in the top bar, and I'm going to leave the sort order as the default 0 and save. And that's it. I've now added 3 categories, one of which was a parent category and 2 of which are child categories. You'll see that they come out underneath video games in the top menu here in any order, which is alphabetical. Handheld first, home console second. Come back tomorrow's where I'll be showing you how to add a product to your new categories. Subscribe and comment below if there's something you'd like us to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching.